What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I feel like a kid on Christmas Day. Up until this point, everything you see me do on the Gallardo has been nothing but basic maintenance work ever since I bought the car. Either that or cruising car show videos, enjoying the car this summer. Finally, everything's arrived that I've been stockpiling, ordering, waiting for, saving up money to pay for all summer long. So this will be the first kind of upgrade or change that I'm making to the car. And I will show you guys some before and after footage, and this is basically the reason I decided to go with a pre-LP or a first generation Gallardo, is the sheer, pure F1 style sound that this motor makes once you open up that exhaust. So this winter we're going to tackle that. Stay tuned. So once we tear into this project, one of the things I am going to tackle and replace, since the rear bumper has to come off anyway, is I am going to replace the rear bumper skeleton behind here. Any of you guys that have messed with these cars, have owned one, you know it is an absolute weak link. Mine's relatively minimal, but most people got little zip ties on them holding things together. I get it, it's not a fun way to spend money, but it comes up just about weekly in the forums, people trying to come up with ways to epoxy and fix these things. They're brittle. This car is almost 20 years old now. Some of you are still approaching that, even if you got a slightly newer model than this. And that plastic so close to the exhaust, the heating and cooling, they get brittle. Bottom line, like I said, though, it's not a fun way to spend money. Losing one of these grills or an exhaust tip is going to add up real quick. So for me, it was just preventative maintenance. I figure it's going to be cheaper and easier while I have this apart to replace that. So I might do a little video on that. I can't say I've seen one out there. Should be relatively straightforward. I also see lots of people asking, like I said, on almost a weekly basis, what to do about it. I myself was one of them. What I went with was direct from Lamborghini with an OEM replacement. This is the rear bumper skeleton. Nothing super high-end or special about it, other than the fact that it's not completely disintegrating on me. It's got all the tabs are in place. We'll clip onto the back side there of the factory bumper cover and get rid of any of those unsightly zip ties or any of that. And yes, this is still plastic. It will probably need replaced again at some point in the future. But until somebody comes up with an affordable aftermarket upgrade, this is what I'm going with. I got this, like I said, it was $650 shipped. I went contact Glenn Huffman through AMH Exotics if you need one of these. He got this thing to me super quick. Like I said, it was $650 shipped direct from Lamborghini. You try and go through Lamborghini yourself, I suppose, if you want. But that's what I'm going to use. That's what we're going with. Like I said, since I'm already going through the labor of pulling that off, that'll be our replacement. And these were my next score. I'm going to remove the catalytic converters off of this car. If you guys have done any research, you own one yourself, you know one of the weak links in the early Gallardos is the catalytic converters. Everything on mine is factory in stock, so I'm going to pull them off, not just for the sound, but to help protect the motor. And bottom line, I couldn't afford the Sport Cats right now, so we're just going to eliminate them completely. So these are the test pipes. These are actually direct from Autopilot Exotics. I got a super good deal. These are just slightly used, and I picked them up for less than half price. They're in excellent condition. Super sweet deal. I would have loved to have supported Eddie, he's a veteran, and his wife Liz. If you guys haven't seen their products, check out Autopilot Exotics. They make some incredible products, absolute artwork for intakes and exhaust. They make a super cool center exit exhaust for the Gallardos. I would absolutely have loved to have gone that route. Unfortunately, my budget just doesn't allow that. I am, like I said, scraping by, doing everything I can to ball on a budget here. Like I said, I picked these up for half price. It was a super good score. I have a feeling they weren't used very long at all by the condition that these are in. But anyway, give Eddie and his wife Liz a shout out. Check out their stuff. Awesome quality products. Can't wait to get those things installed. And here we are with the final piece to the puzzle. I did so much research on this. I had such a hard time deciding, guys. But I ultimately chose to go with Fabspeed Motorsport Super Sport X-Pipe system for my car. There were several reasons I chose to go with that. I did all sorts of endless research, spent hours online looking. Ultimately, this is what I chose to go with. Like I said, for a few different reasons. There's a lot of awesome systems out there. Like I said, Eddie and his wife Liz, the systems that they put together through Autopilot Exotics are super awesome. At $3,500, this fit my budget. It's a US made product, so I was able to get it in a little more timely fashion than some of the other overseas brands or models that are out there. I love the high-pitch F1 sound that this gives it versus just a complete straight pipe, given it's got some resonator to it. And the other big one for me is Fabspeed does everything in-house. They've got an in-house chassis dyno. This system is proven, dyno-proven power. So those are the biggest reasons why I went with the Fabspeed system. Just came in today, fresh off the FedEx truck. This is the first time I'm opening the box myself, so we'll get to see what's in here. Looks like they've got some goodies in here, some decals, got a keychain, a little bit of hardware taped to the box here. They've packaged it well. We'll expect nothing less. They have such an incredible reputation. Some assembly required. Like I said, this is all going to be a winter project for me. Stainless system. There's the Fabspeed cover. It'll look much nicer once I get it out of the bubble wrap. That will be the top there that you actually see the majority of the system. Oops. All of our elbows here. So these are all built to order. And they got it to me in a... Obviously, I was super impressed at how quickly they were able to build and get the system to me. Customer service is top notch. Anytime I had questions, I reached out to these guys. They were all over it, so I couldn't be happier. And it looks absolutely beautiful. Alright, well, it's gonna stay in there for now. So there you have it, guys. There is the Super Sport X-Pipe stainless system. It's complete with clamps, your bungs. Absolutely can't wait to tear into the car now that car show season is over and get this thing in there. Not to mention the super huge weight savings. I believe this weighs roughly 30 pounds versus 55 pounds or so from the stock mufflers that are on there. So we'll definitely do some weighing once we get things out before we put this back in. Do some before and after sound clips. Stay tuned to the channel. Like I said, don't expect anything super soon. This is definitely going to be a big wintertime project for me. Now that car show season is coming to an end here because the weather has just totally fallen apart on us. So if you guys follow the channel, you know I've been teasing this stuff all summer long. Like I said, it's taken months of hard work to save up for these products and be able to get them all shipped here and you know, waiting for things to come from Italy or to be custom built to order. But everything is finally here. If you guys are into this kind of stuff, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. There'll be, like I said, videos to come throughout the winter here. Definitely appreciate all the love and support. The channel is slowly continuing to grow. I know I've changed directions a few different times with the channel, but this is kind of where we're at for now. So stay with me. Appreciate the support, and we'll see you on the next one.